Okay. Now what I have to do? Next step.
Now go to the users.
Go to the
Users, sir.
user. Okay.
Users.
Okay. Okay. Next what I have to do?
Mhm. Add user account.
Yeah, good. Add user account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what I have to do? Next.
Here we need to give the user information.
User information. Okay. What is this? Okay.
It's an
What is this?
optional field.
Optional.
It's a
These are all
mandatory.
optional. This is
Mandatory.
mandatory. Why it is mandatory? Why it is
We
mandatory?
should have a name for the user.
How you identify it is a mandatory field? How you identify it is?
The star don't have
Yeah,
mandatory.
star
Yeah. Star is there, so it is a mandatory field. Very good.
mandatory.
Okay. Now email. Okay. Email optional. Okay. Now what username I am creating? Okay. Password. Password what?
Should be
8 characters with one number.
including a number.
That is a password policy. Okay. Right. Very good. Okay. What is this?
Confirm password. Again, we need to
Confirm password. We need to re-enter the password.
Okay. Now next what I have to do?
save and close.
Save and
Click on the
click
save
on
and
the.
close.
Okay.
Save and close.
Save and
Okay. So I have created a user. Okay. Okay. Now next what I have to do?
Type the name in the search box to verify that the user exists or not.
Very good. Okay. Now what is this? What is this?
Status is active.
status is active.
Okay. So the user is active. If I don't want that user to be active, what I have to do? I have to make it as inactive or make it as
Yes, sir.
locked. If
Locked.
if I make it as if I put a tick mark in lock, it will get locked. It will become inactive. Okay. So that is a person. Just wait for 2 minutes. Huh? Okay. See here, lock account, reset, and also I can delete the user. Okay. I can make the lock account, reset the password. I can reset the password or I can delete it. Okay. Anyhow. Now here you have to you can by clicking this in the display name in Lakshman and the username either of this, you can view the whatever the detail you have given, the user profile you can see your user information that you can see. Okay. Password expiration date is 12/11. Okay. Default. Okay. These are all okay. Now I need to add a role. How to add a role? Where can I add a role?
Go to role.
Huh?
You can.
Where can I add a role? How can I add a role? What is the, where to go?
Roles.
It is
You
display
can
mode.
click on edit or go to the role.
Edit mode. Edit. It's because this is display. Now I have to go to edit. Okay. Now to add a role,
Add role.
Add role. Very good.
Add roles.
Ma'am told no. Super user, implementation, super user or implementation user. Ma'am
IT
told no. Now
Yes, sir.
what are all the roles?
Super
What
user.
are all the roles to be added? What are all the roles? Yeah, very important.
Security
Application.
manager.
Huh?
IT security.
Now first okay. Application
Application module.
Application
implementation
implementation.
consultant.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm again and again repeating. If you are not going through the videos or the material which we are sharing, then subsequent classes is very very difficult for you to follow. I am telling now onwards. Okay. See, till now whatever we have given is a foundation. Okay. Whatever we have given and all, you have to go through. From this, at least from this day onwards also, every day you go through this, whatever the video, because subsequent classes will be a chain. Okay. Now if you are not going through the previous videos and materials, no use. It's very difficult for you to follow. Even the classes already we have given the material. If you are not going through, see, madam is taking a detailed, detailed in detail. She is taking with concepts, fully explaining and all. Please remember that. Okay. Please go through that video. This would be helpful for you. Okay. Application
Implementation consultant.
implementation consultant. Okay. Application implementation role. What is that? Application implementation role. Huh?
They will create the user and
It will
assign the roles.
it will clear the user.
Yes, sir.
Application
And they
implement.
will get the
Huh?
details of.
You can get
They
the
will
details.
get the details.
I,
I didn't get.
very easy. Why you get people confused? I don't know. See, I told you, no, very simple. Yeah. In a simple way, I told you, ma'am, also clearly in a pictorial form she has given, and also she has explained in a clear way. And also, I have also given a clear way. See, two things: primary primary roles of a functional consultant. Number one, application implementation consultant. Next, IT security manager. Application implementation consultant role. What is that? We can we can
View the statement.
we can do a setup using application implementation role, consultant role. We can do a setup. Correct, no?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
First, we are giving
Add role. Add.
add role. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to close this or make it done. Okay. Now next what I have to do? Next step. Next role what we have to do? Next role what we have to add? What we have to assign to the super user? Huh?
IT security.
Huh? Hello?
IT security role.
IT security manager role. We have to assign. Now see here, consultant copy. See, this is the Oracle delivered seeded, but this is instance no. So many people are using that. They are creating the role, custom role. They are copying it and pasting this. That not required. We are deleting. So if you click this, it will be removed. Okay. Yes, I am deleting. Okay. Now next what you have to do? Next what we have to do? What we have to do? Next role what we have to add?
IT security manager.
IT security manager. Add role. I have to click add role. So two primary roles for a functional consultant. What is that? Huh?
Application implementation
consultant and IT security manager.
Security manager.
Very good. Don't forget, yeah. You should not forget. Okay. You have to remember. Very simple. Application implementation consultant, IT security manager. Application implementation consultant role is for doing a setup. IT security manager for
security.
For IT security manager role.
Identity manager.
Yeah. For creating a user, that role will be, see, it will give an access to security console. From security console, we are creating a user. IT security manager role, with the help of IT security manager role, it will give an access to IT security manager. From IT security it will give an access to security console. From security console, we are creating a user. See, while creating user, we are going to navigation and we are clicking. We are using security console. No, we are clicking. Yeah. So security console. Uh, by selecting the IT security, by assigning the role of IT security manager to the user, security console, we have it is allowing us to have access of what? Security console. Through that security console, we can add the user. Okay, we can add the user, assign role, like that and all we can do. Okay, you understand what I am telling? Is it clear or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So this is IT security manager. So now what I am doing? Adding the role of IT
Security Manager.
IT Security Manager. I am adding the role of IT Security Manager. It's not coming. The system is very slow. 1 minute. So what we have done? What we have done?
We have added the roles for the user.
Which user? What is the
Application
name of the user? What is the
implementation
name of the
consultant.
user? User, okay.
Lakshman.
What is the name of the user?
Lakshman.
Lakshman.
Lakshman, okay, but who is he?
Super user.
Is an implementation user. That is super user. Okay. Okay. So
Yes,
two
sir.
roles has been assigned. Okay. Now see, you are there in the. You have already seen that PPT, no? Ma'am has taken yesterday that PPT. In there, she has told one concept, the synchronization. Synchronization. She has told, no? Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Synchronization. She has told, no? Synchronization. See, you are not gone through the PPT. I think it's the word in that PPT, in the PPT. One word is there, no? Synchronization. After assigning the roles, it has to be synchronized. Like that, madam is telling, no? I also gave an example, no? Srikanth, have you forgotten? Hello?
Synchronization, sir.
Pardon?
Synchronization, sir.
Synchronization. See, once you see in some websites you may see you have to give the data, and it asks you to save, but that will not be a proof of saving. It will not go. It will not save. The data will not go to your data. It will not go unless you give a submit. It will not go to your database. It is only you are saving. That's all. But unless you give a submit button, it won't go. Like this, it won't be assigned. Your data, what you have entered, it won't be assigned to the respective roles. Like this, see, in this role to be in backend, it has to go means we have to do a synchronization. Okay, we have to run a synchronization. Then only this assignable role will work. Or else, when you do an implementation, doing a setups and all, it will be a problem. Okay, that is why we have to run the synchronization. Okay, we have to do a synchronization. For that synchronization, to do a synchronization, another role to be added. Unless until you are unless and until if you add that employee role, that role, you will not be able to do a synchronization. You understand what I am telling? புரியுதா நான் சொல்றது?
Yes.
இந்த ரோல்ஸ்
Yes,
நீங்க
sir.
கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, அசைன் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, ஓகே. பட் நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்க இது அசைன் ஆயிடுதுன்னு. பட் அசைன் ஆச்சா இல்லையான்னு இப்போ இந்த இதை நான் இப்போ லக்ஷ்மண் என்ற யூசர் ஐடியில நான் லக்ஷ்மண் யூசர் ஐடி பாஸ்வேர்டு கொடுத்து நான் போகும்போது தான் அதுல ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது தான் அதனுடைய இது தெரியும். அன்டில் தென் உங்களுக்கு தெரியாது. இது அசைன் பண்ணிட்டீங்க, பட் அது பேக் எண்ட்ல ஸ்டோர் ஆகணுமா இல்லையா? ஓகேவா? So that is where we are going to do a synchronization. Okay, so what I am going to do, I have to add a role to do a synchronization. Employee role, employee. I am going to add
Employee role.
employee. Employee. Employee role I have to add. Okay. See, I am adding this employee role.
Okay, sir.
Then only that synchronization can be done. Or else synchronization cannot be done. Only when you create a role called employee, synchronization can be done. Okay. So add role members.
Sir, I would just like to add a point here.
Tell me.
I even explained different types of roles, job role, abstract role. See, here is just an employee it is an abstract role, right? Then
Okay.
further, when you start, giving a job role, then that whatever will start reflecting to that particular name. Okay, you can see here the abstract role, right?
Yes, ma'am.
After this practical session, please go through that PPT. You'll again then understand in a better way. Okay, so make sure that you go through the PPT today itself, as your memory is really fresh. Okay, fine. Sir, please continue.
Yeah. I'm adding this. Okay, employee role. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So employee role has been added. Okay.
Yes.
See here, this role, employee role, has been added. Now what you have to do? 3 roles has been added. To
It is
next.
synchronized.
Yeah. Now what you have to do? Save and
Synchronize.
close.
Close.
So see, we have added this roles. Okay. Since see, I may not be able to show you that how the synchronization will, because of the system slowness. The system is not performing. Okay. So some issues is there because many people are using the same instance. No, that is why system performance is slow. So what I will do is, in the next class I will show you, in the Monday I will show you the how the synchronization works. Okay. Today I want to show you, due to system performance I may not be able to show you, I think, because to save itself, saving itself is taking a lot of time, and remaining 7 minutes are there, and it's already 8:50. You people will get angry. I don't want to make you much. Okay. So what we do after saving this? Okay. So 3 very important. Please remember, 3 roles has to be done. Okay. What are all the roles?
Yes, sir.
What are all the roles?
Application and implementation consultant,
Consultant, IT security
IT
IT
manager.
security manager, and employee.
Employee.
See, yeah, by creating this role, okay, by creating the role, we can have an access to application by creating the by assigning the role to an user. Okay, by assigning a role to super user, we can by assigning the application implementation consultant role to super user, we can have an access to FSM, that I will tell you on Monday. Then IT security manager, by assigning IT security manager role to super user, that is implementation user, we can have access to what? Security console. From them, from that, from that security console, we can create users.
User.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
By assigning IT security manager role to user, super user, we can have access to security console. From security console, we can create an user. Okay. Like that.
Yes, sir.
By assigning application implementation consultant role to implementation consultant, we can we can have access to FSM. From FSM, we can do a setup. That Monday I will tell you in detail about the FSM, functional security manager. Okay. Then the employee role, that is madam told, no, abstract role, employee role. By assigning this employee role, we can do a synchronization. Okay. To run the reports, we can do a synchronization. You understand what I am telling? That I will show you in the next class. On Monday I will show you. Since the system performance is slow, I couldn't able to show you the synchronization and all. I planned to show you many of the things, but the system performance is very slow. I couldn't able to show you much. Okay, so till this now, if any doubt is there,
No, sir.
Srikanth,
No, sir.
Neha,
No, sir. No,
ma'am,
sir.
ma'am,
Yeah, Shankar sir, what about you? You
Yes, ma'am. Yeah,
Yeah, it's all clear,
not,
sir?
sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
fine, sir.
ma'am, see Monday,
sir.
tomorrow, day after tomorrow, no class for you.
No class. Yes, sir.
Monday as usual.
Monday, directly on Monday. Yeah, yeah.
Monday 7 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
We will meet. We will meet on Monday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have a
Okay,
happy
then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
good
Thank you.
weekend. Yeah. Okay, then see you on
Okay,
Monday.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night.
Thank you,
Good
thank
night.
you,
Good
ma'am.
night.
Thank you.
Bye. Good night. Good
Thank
night,
you, ma'am.
everyone. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.